As the Chinese beverage market is growing rapidly in recent years, many domestic companies have entered the overseas market to become globally recognized brands. Mishue Ice Cream and Tea was founded in Zhengzhou, central China's Henan province in 1997. Its first overseas store, which opened in Vietnam in 2018, had a turnover exceeding 210,000 yuan in the first months of operation. At present, it has stores in 11 countries around the world, creating many job opportunities for local people.
Nagsimula po ako magsanay noong Enero 20 at sa ngayon ako po ay 8 buwan na po nagtrabaho sa mission. Okay po ang sahod na tinatanggap ko na galing sa mission. Nakakatulong po ito sa aking pamilya at sa aking sariling pangangailangan.
我叫坚树，是一位印尼华侨。去年7月份，我的第一家开幕，目前经营了11家店，共有了100多位的员工。
Up to now, the total number of Mishue stores around the world has exceeded 32,000, and the whole industry chain has created over 500,000 jobs.
截至目前，蜜雪冰城在海外的门店数量接近4000家，门店数量的增加也带动了当地的就业。在印度尼西亚，蜜雪冰城共带动当地约1400位加盟伙伴创业，门店直接带动的就业人数就超过了12000人。